The engines all laughed, but Winston didn't mind. He was glad to have Sir Topham Hatt back in the driving seat once again.
Right, I've got my kit, I've got my boots, I've got my stopwatch and I've got my ball. But I'm sure there's something else I need. Of course, a whistle. Oh, and Thomas will be here any minute to take me to the game. Now, where am I going to find a whistle? The station master. I'll give him a call. He'll have a whistle. He uses one to let the engines know when it's time to leave the platform. There's no answer. Station master's not there. Oh, he must have already left to go to the game, oh dear. Oh no, that'll be Thomas. Oh, where am I going to find a whistle? Must be somewhere I can find a whistle. Wait a minute. I've just had a brilliant idea. Thomas, will you be my whistle, please? Thank you, Thomas. I found my whistle. And now I'm off to referee the annual engine drivers soccer match.
Steamy Stafford. Lots of the engines on the island of Sodor are steam engines. They run on coal and water. They collect their coal from the coal hopper. And they get water from the water towers. But Stafford is an electric engine. He doesn't need coal and water. He needs to keep his battery charged instead. One day, Stafford was on his way to pick up some flatbeds of timber when Thomas went past him.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, Stafford.
A group of children were standing on the bridge at Wellsworth Station. They watched as Thomas went past.
Here comes Thomas! Hello, Thomas! And look, here comes Stafford! Hello, Stafford!
Hello, everybody.
The children all watched and listened, but they were puzzled.
Thomas makes a puffy noise, but Stafford hardly makes any noise at all. How strange.
Stafford heard what the children said. It made him very sad.
I don't make much noise because I just run on batteries. Oh, I wish I could make steamy sounds like the other engines.
Stafford arrived at the shunting yard. He had to collect the flatbeds of timber to take to the docks.
Listen to Thomas and Percy. If only I had a chuff or a puff.
Stafford's flatbeds of timber were soon ready.
What's the matter, Stafford? You look sad.
I know I'm just an electric engine, Thomas, but I want to chuff and puff like a steamy.
Maybe we could help you.
Could you?
Of course, Stafford. We'll teach you to chuff and puff. Just follow us, and you'll sound like a steamy in no time.
So Stafford raced along with Thomas and Percy.
Listen to my chuff, Stafford. Now you try.